In front of me is NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, tap on remove and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully removed. If you wanna restore it though, I will show you how to do it though. Just hold your display, and when you see all of those options at the bottom, hit Widgets. Then scroll all the way down to tap on Android widget. Here. Scroll again, this time to click on Google, and finally hold search bar widget and drag it to the proper place. Let go and tap on home button twice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!